Kata pakalima. Mano kara fo kulunko. Police station mandi kasate o sate ndem boyta abere. Hani station kilim mawi. That is deliberate. Abele nyomoy.
Assalamu alaikum bademolo hanibe bi mbalje kunkujan keta politika bureau nal badem malan Suleiman Jam sina ngal lamoy bayo sirfo sonko councilor men gada brikama area council la kuma kanwala
Narudron Prubi Kakacha to give you some couple of updates inshallah kumenka kalam tan the cool la cool veli caring like I said in my topic, we are determined. Nothing can stop us, biiznillah, by the grace of God. 2026 and I don't think no amount of words, no amount of intimidation, no amount of caricature, no amount of accentuation. Remember, it can actually, that cane can be turned to anything. So coming to caricature tatina, kumajaw tatina, and then I mean, because cooking level care wala nyinto ko Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala ala la marsan disolum adama dingote no ala la adama dingo it ha put la to no in some it ha dun la no situation me ya lonko afonga ya lonne, and at the end of it you want a mariation ka fon remain wo kono ndola focus, like I always say, right now the focus is mbe banko yum kanan la no nyamen anyhow ka banko kanandi ka banko bondi ma fial bulo kono adoko nyin atakela no doku izirinte. We know that very well. Adoko nyin kono ebe jawol soto la jele, adoko nyin kono ebe kuma jawol moy la jele, adoko nyin kono ebe fon be la soto la doko nyin kono. But like ndaka mem fo mole wala nyin ko like my able chairman said, don't steal, don't lie, job wreck, doko drong. That is the only thing me ya lonko I believe it can give progress to this country. And it's very important banku dingo be your long. Nim banku dingo be your long. Membe kala wolo nyinduko, we will put tribes aside. Mbe si patam fasolon la karal, mbe regionalism bo lan la karal, mbe sectionalism bo be lan la karal. Na focus be kala minute what minam found me along Gambian coal be found jela wolo kono. That is why we are focused. That is why so just to kana topico nyinta to elaborate more on the topic wala mnyuko ntolu ntole Gambia bank walaje wallahi suma wala ntole Gambia bank walaje andung memem fala Gambian kolbe wala mnyuko alan kana som moyem baful. And Nimo you can baffle us, you're able to baffle la no, keep on nenele. You understand? Momo halon ko ite America to baffle la no, wallahi, sumo wallahi keep on nenele. Because Gambians are aware of all what is going on. Gambian ko lialone, membi kere, moli habelone, moli halone membi. I mean, one thing you need to understand. Hey, let me come level Gambian ko. Last election, yen sifa aleke kabi yen sifa at the end of it what happened was one of minduko yemolu la miro be ton. That's what they did. So what happened is yen kuma sifa let's start no ka Gambian ko ta ka ko ha UDP malaf luntan la UDP malaf yin sido la, and where UDP kolta and some of the executives I made very scared. I slandy party puru nyanta menkela mark. Hey, Kuma killing left a Gambian Kobe all understand. We own this country. Don't let him bankot. We own this country. At the Ata Akuya Mexico. Until we own this country. Don't let him bankot. When I say control him bankot, Gambia don't let him bankot. Gambia don't let him bankot. Billahi Gambia don't let him bankot. Ha. Yim bankot kelano mota to namang Gambia don't. And no more Gambia don't ballano fella yim banko kanja. Ha. And I want that to be very clear. Mode Gambia dingo ballano fenna nyim banko kanjang Gambia dingo ta moment ha fani adara Gambia dingo me ya lonko iman lela Gambia di ya ha but Gambia ding me ya lonko ilata ko dem Gambia ding lati mote balla no fenna nyim banko kanjang because banko la luwa wala dila banko la symbole wo dila because alele harje alele wuluni nyim banko kanjang that is why tolla kelo movement wala nyindiko be Gambia kendo sokla no nyaadi ha be Gambia kendo sokla no nyaadi la andon a jarta nya ko bela me ya lonko is positive pour que Gambia ta ka bondi ni momo ya mero non ko ibe mo le nenela let me tell you something. Like my able chairman always said, whenever they want to distract us, they will come and divide us. So divide and rule tactics at a walk like this time. It's a kumo bay from Molma. It's an Andro bay from Molma. It's an Tumi Ko Bela. But we will stand by our ground. Mbelo and similar cut. Modern Filanore. Mbelo and similar cut. Billahi Nabut Alabala. Ha. Nabut Alabala Mbelo and similar cut.
Assalamu alaikum.
Yes, welcome back, Shura. I mean, Mbelolen Simula Kat. Hey, last election on Yelaka Jang, but Gambia do look Makila Flala will Mundico. Jumale Mantara Batakono B. Jumale Ma Long B. Last election or the results of the last election. Jumale Mantara filter. Let's call a spade a spade. Gambia do baby batari. Let's ask ourselves the foreign currency of this country. Na Banko na Fulo Benyadi. The amount of corruption going on in this country. Gambian call Alman Kukulelo. Sidin Jai, I learned that Menkara. Sidin Jai is in a trouble right now. Sidin Jai alone Menkara, you what? It's in a big trouble right now. So what is happening all you to go? You want to commit, you want a letter man all you to go. You like Neo Bay movement all you to go, Benin Banco in a trouble on Yami. If a fit no someone Banco can Yami. That is their plan. Because Menkada will Nindico, ye banko na flow sunyal, ye banko le fenol tina, ye banko le fenol tala nyotem. Say I go Gambian call realize it. And this is why I want Gambian doing what I am basing my topics on the Gambians. Gambia doing. It's only when you are a fool, they will fool you. A fool can only fool a fool. But a fool cannot fool somebody. May Alonko is wise. I alone remember caring. Yes, some more a fool. May Alonko is a big fool. Yena na fulo sunya yena banko fongo betina look mbadu ndok makil na fala wala nyutuko alila moy the local government commission membe kekanje alila moy mbadi ngam National Assembly B Gambia do alka kumo jella moy National Assembly Gambia dungo na fulo jella tinya nyim banko kanja mol yenda na fulo tay dam mali ya sala ñu tema nyim banko kanja mo kilumul bi wala kana jang e ko kanyim banko du ñokon they want to elect a tribal work nyim banko kanja ndo sonnala bi ndo sonnala sam we know all of them mo kilumul bi wala elect a di bayla rule si nyim banko kanja pour Gambia dungul dam may bi ñola let's use our brain. Let's use our brain. Let's ready to be die for our country. And the only thing they feel they will be rescued. Wala ñu ko xam fitno sama nañu banko kam.
Songo gisuma.
No sura no it's too I mean ñu mo kulati me ya longo. I mean akoka dimi mbakele. Sura hata. Mo me ya longo wala
songo ya membi I'll DM executive for the press release as soon as possible. Nistano police, this is a very, very serious allegation. It's a very, very serious allegation. People can use this against us. You ain't killing him before. You understand? You ain't killing him before. If you black, le do, I do like Kebala for you for that. A black, le be down, you can only intimidate Satin, doing Sate Balto. Tonyata quote. Nico, near Lualo, if Luano, more kind of politician Keban and Banco Kang. Yes, Aluania, Lua Bedana. But Nimon would put us a diafo. Small bar for all day. May Willie have a part of Banco Maramol bar for all. At the Wollam Tonya. Sirinja Kumar of the Mealongo is very, very destructive towards UDP. And they should take a legal action against this because it's a very, very serious allegation. So executive members will moment in Bela American Cola. I'll see a command bank. I'll be action mentality. Intelligent Diamo Kelale. ndel mo kido juude samarole na kut na garawde de atelle min tella keba executive member sare len tella keba ali wuli ali ni ko address ali legal action ta ko sa même fo tay aman tonya ta ko kono UDP mange criminal we are not criminals ndel alpha somda model ke kampa kana dugo ta ko ngaluwa batu ani mol ke luwa batu wala mol ben ndel luwa batu dam man la from day one of the niya ko do kala UDP la billahi wala ngi luwa batu lam ani ngi luwa batu nyande kala wala nyama ndel alpha ko wala fo molié patili la dina ngi ma da ko den kilo ala nga luwa batu yana sana bar ni mo ke wuli akana luwa tinyata akamo ta ke mun luwa tinyaya ala jibere o kuma nda fo kula le wala mun tala kuma
no Sulara yalon what happened last election because President Barrow yo kuma ka men for communal via talks. Look, President Barrow only said we are talks, right? But he did not say we are having arms with us. Okay? Because ndebe group kono but kukil never je wala ko one of the most serious thing wala ñu account we are attacking all of ndolbe fulo le attack kan ndolbe surwal le attack kan right but go see den jay man kukil na la wala ñu ko for UDP ko surwal me le bo fo wonta Gambia dum for UDP ko fulo me le je fo wonta Gambia dum for UDP kono jolal me je fol manga Gambia dingol fo bi place o man taro bu UDP kono fo man ning kol me UDP fo tab Gambia dingol Siri Njaay kido ye jumale bulu Siri Njaay muro ye jumale bulu Siri Njaay pawo ye jumale bulu Siri Njaay tleka so mu jumale bulu. That is why the central executive or the senior executive have to take a step against Siri Njaay because ko khil na be wala ñuntu ko e ka mentandi mo la wala ñuntu ko UDP mu fitna party wala and now because along Gambian call you to understand that last election of 2021 was manipulated. Yeah, manipulated. The results were not the right results. What is going to happen? There might be recounting of votes. And the recounting of vote, basically, UDP will emerge victorious. So because that is why they use billions, they use millions of money to tamper with the process. To tamper with the process. Saying, yo beki saying, Gambian call bo bata kono bi. Si jumala be nyim banko kan si o me ya longo bi. Banko kan call ya membe ken banko ya malo. For ita surahata, ika dola fali menna. Jumala be nyim banko kan membe ka dola fali wala. Ita surahata, ika pauno fali menna. Jumala be nyim banko kan membe ka pauno fali wala. Ita surahata, ika mano sa menna. Jumala be nyim banko kan membe ka mano sa wala. But ni aji be bi. Ntolmel yalon ko me bataka ntolmel ko we are sovereign today sidin jañol bi e buka mano sam sidin jañol bi buka sugro sam sidin jañol bi they are not buying anything from the shop sidin jañol bi e ke joko do men na bi they very rare ibe mo lo kont lañu banko kan je ka mol mel jomen sidin jañol bi e ka balu na flol mel la e ka ya access to na flol mel na ibe few people lo kont lañu banko ko men ko they have access to na flol ñu banko kan ja sa no wol kana bi e man pensoro be mendi la molla e man pensoro be mendi la mba jommala e man pensoro be mendi la mba nafila e man pensoro be mendi la sapiatla e man pensoro be mendi la amin fankala nde senna wo mo kilumul la kana bi e ko ka gambian ko la ka ke filindi because menkata yena banko na fulo sunya because menkata yena banko na fulo kasara yena ye ku jawol kenyim banko kan jang. And now they realize ko Gambian Kolia understand ko nyulena na fulo sunya. A commission of inquiry me ya longo wala be caring to the National Assembly bi nin Gambia di mo mem buka la moy mba fulo ko altali alla moy momo ya longo buka commission of inquiry la moy mem care National Assembly kono ala la moy al balo nako sidin jañol la sinkaw moment Gambia election o jang ada sunya la jang kotanke ni momo ya mira nu yila di am be diamo men kala yang wala be election suñu ñim banko kanjang ike fa nenele because we are ready to guide our votes we are ready to guide our voice mpare la kaje ko kan way sabati ñim banko kanjang mpare la kaje ko moten kan sikala luntan takafula majang to decide who is going to lead us in the next election ni men diata me yafo but the only thing me along it really make me mad Sidin Jay accused of having arms calling us armed robbers calling us people with arms. I kilo yo jumala bul. ay muro ye jumale bul ay fon ye jumale bul ay tear gas fon ye jumale bul. The evidence are here. We were only going round to monitor kajeko mol mel ya lonko wala nyanda karto fayla gambe dumul dammat fonte bira Senegal la ban kafu Senegal ko fonte is it right printed as Senegal kafu Senegal ko I want to register here but Gambian ko nok makil la fulali Ousmane Sonko ala election wato ilo tele kat iko mol mel ya lonko manga Senegal ko ta karto fayla je bi Senegal be benefit kam menna mo be baje kan jumala man tawjeka bani nafike wol mel ya lonko haji tela fentela but because the only thing they want, the only thing they believe, the only thing elata men na wala mindiko kabanko destabilize. To destabilize our country. And they think that we will sleep. Mesila na why are they angry? Ita kuma kama memoila. A mayor supporter of NPP. Ita kuma kama memoila. Ika wala moy an executive member of NPP. A mayor supporter of NPP, ita kuma kama memoy lala. Ika wala moy an executive member of NPP. Demba sabali mbeya moy kenna kuma kama mem. Demba sabali kuma kama mem fojam. Jumala mo moy nyim banko kanja. Why demba sabali bo foka? Na fulo jelle be mankiring, na fulo jelle be filo kono, na fulo jelle be tinyakan our minister of agriculture. My own brother Ibrahim Silla. Why Ibrahim Silla is coming out? Why all these ministers now are all told to be politicians? My own brother, Nani Juara. I saw Nani in Pirang. Talking as a politician. Who knows Nani as a politician? Nani forget that Nani is a technician. I like Bekel as a technician. But why are they all going out? Milatina Numolbe, Ibebe Pintikan now to defend President Maro because of Sunyaro Tapalea, member carrying him in Masakundakon. Sunyaro in Tapalea member carrying Masakundakon. Who they can baffle us? These people think that they can fool us. Billahi wallahi ta'ala, we are ready to give our life to make sure we salvage this country. There is no place like home. There is no place like home. Ndole Gambia la soto mandula soto namanga Gambia. Why are they scared? Why are they scared? Nyulumile ikamile sila, ikamile mabo. Bro, Lamin, you welcome.
Baraka Bake Bayo Nyeton to Nejai na kekende bafa na bijan surafada ngeken to Nejai la do ko nyata Bake yakata you've made us proud momodu ndokku kula je asake baraji da farinto na wuli min kama na banko alman sa wakala na banko kan alma banko sotula ani kairo kono ani banko lo sobya kan tiling din nyatata anyway Bayo mbota live la mami Bake I was being address kanje ngani karolo ke na diamo kono ko sidi is sidi njay again wala nyinde ko for sidi njay lo mo kota ke ban right ngana ko sidi njay has made so many headlines and new headlines all jama is very sad. I say a headlines all is not mostly positive about Gambia's future and the direction this country needs to take. But the Chilinjai, Balanalamu, Nakarantulamu, ala political kono be, Nidimang, amang fayita numola fo ate kunkolo rek. Momo be banko tinyala, momo be fitno wulino banko kang, itili buka jako banko la ngai boleti, banko ding la ngai boleti. But how much they are able to exploit out of that situation is what they care most. Bivangani Peter Gomez Jada Diamaka. Peter was trying to make him, remind him of that, 2016 declaration. But Amanda Figjemwell, but despite Peter try, so but after Kobe double jail anyway, Kumara Sucha come wrong. Nyini Kaitan ni Mola Kuetel, they are loyal to nothing but money, nothing but they are lust for power. Wala mo bari yaje mena ko mo kun na ko ite na to itambindi banko mo be hanata ko jerete banko mo jamai fa ko out of that komi duwala jabita drong mo man na fa ko no bari ne ko niol lu staw ko no sidin jaw everything would have to do with sidin jay ani yaje mena mo lu milyan ko tafawta ka banko mo lu jamfa. But going forward, maybe jende kan jangwala ni ko 2021 cool miliketa gambe diwul dol milango they fell for this type of politics. So today we are all in regret. Mano da be nyaming banko la dalaso usafa economy be nyaming banko la crime rate be nyaming cool milango mande mandari jela no before be mbolle je kan Senegal be kumbola Senegal minna menankile banko kan for in the history of seno ñum sene tambila ñum traité tambila ngajile ko ye ngaybo menke ye yati yateno menke pour kila ko do fansoto through kiw money ana menan soto ñum bankun kan batamin late kan wo kono mbe ñing sifale kono na all the pop na save ko na state owned enterprises are all falling. So min fanam fo nan ñolu ko tay ko nan ñolu be futata na adu wo mu just that's the ice that's the tip of the iceberg. Ebe mo le jela miran ko ne do bebe forcer le be dun la politique kono to go and go and mislead people because it kuma fula mo le miran ko it's going to be ni fem for so called positive story about Barrow. It is not, because Barola record is not defensible. It's not defendable rather. Barola economic policy a failed. Barola reforms a failed. Barola national development plan a failed. Barola hanala energy cool mi yanon kay fang belum fenne fonye be baro min tema barola constitutional reform ning I mean gitande mo la ko we are going to have a new constitution a failed. So baro fang min kallo ka fo kon dengan nan tele kat dibitol duku banko min nyaton ko fo ite mari nata o nyaton ko yaw sementu ya lo ko kono akoyte tema ko tonya fambe wona karolla abe kulike ka memne silo manda men luwa manta ite bo fasala. So kujamale be dundu nyoko ni bankon kan droko be mol fala ni bankon kan. Insecurity almost has gripped everyone because of all these crimes men on taking place. Say etulma all address alkal kana nyati le UDP la again. Ni UDP kelo wala lana tambolke ni UDP kelo ya wala ya de ñu mo falto ni UDP kelo na banko mantano han be bimento ikoyte nyati le banko do kola banko gambe de yebula menna bar UDP ñing fen a kuriyata fen nota ya be la UDP ka andu ñi ñente bolal de ñim bo bolala do bo bolala fanan ñi min be mo bende katifao ñi mi alon ko laftal pour ka to embark on their all games of manipulation. Molyo le sute adum people are taking steps kaje ko this time we're not going to allow it. So wole silang mo ñimbeti wole paranoia mo ñimbeti wole sangu mo ñimbeti bari man den ko de tulo falona tul fito obuka falona tulo tala. So anyway, see sula fanam bula.
Yeah, sula Jonathan. So you see Omar Bumbaro, you can send request. So yajale ikada for thing. Okay. Yajale this is exactly what exactly Ibe Menke can. But let me come a follow drum, and I believe Nabro Nani about Hakilo Flow the battle. Yajale Tangara Ibe Kumo Be for Tangara. If you see Tangara was able to come back to the government, Kule Assam. I am not saying Ko is clean also, But Tangara was very mindful at some point among politicians. He was not in a political platform. I mean, politics, he was very careful in his politics during the time of Jammeh, involvement into politics. That is why I believe one of the reasons Amusa and Masakunda Yinkon. Okay, they will tell you, minister, I have to do politics. Okay, fine, do politics. But cooking understand we are in an era, whatever, moment for political is going to be there. Because media is always there. Even moment for Lamolia, it has to be factual. Don't steal, don't lie, jobre. It has to be in that mantra. Because cooking, Momo Yalongo B. Even Masakunda kono B. It's a happy to cooking. Dumale, I realized, and I want to take the best example of the Ghana Commission. Molmel Yalongo Wole Sunyaro Ghana Commission. Molmel Yalongo Wole na floor Tina in Ghana Commission. Molmel Yalongo Wole ya Jamel Fawta Ye Kasara Nimbako Kanja. Molmel Yalongo Wole Banko na floor Kasara Nimbanko Kanja. They were taken to the commission in Ghana Commission, but Gambia Bay Lamoy, Gambia Bay Sunte Konjumu. But the worst part is now, Melialongo Wole multi Melialongo B to Mirobe Wolaka on the Ghana Commission issue. National Assembly Commission Melialongo Wole Caring Tensai. The revelations coming. Kumakawol Melialongo Mbewole Moy come from the commission. So Mo Yalongo, and you are not going to be commissioned. You are just baffling yourself. Imari K Mafuko, we are going to bring in commissions like this. No, I mean, in commission, no. But we are going to follow everything. We are going to investigate everything because from a Gambian deserve to know the truth. Niano Yokorasan Ukraine, Niano Yokorasan Russia, Niano Yokorasan, I mean, wherever you think in this world, along with one person, one patriotic person, Banco din Kende Kelimbalo, may along he'll be ready. Kabanko taka protect. He'll be ready. Kabanko na flow back to the country. Ya Gembele Korda Mantara America. Al Korda America B. It is under the name of the Gambia government. Because Gambia time, because the money is owned by the Gambians. So Momo Yamironu, it is Mahari Yamironu, Ila Dimba, Ebola Bonda Banko Kanya, Ila Dimba somebody in America. Because all of them, they all secure an American visa. American visa baby local. So you think Ibela Dimba Bologane, any banko dini prolomoko, Ike Fongole Nene. Walatina, Mbatida, Walatina, Mbanyali, Walatina, Mbabintu, Walatina, Mbande Sen, Walatina, Mba Penda, Walatina. You are baffling yourself. Momo yo miranyim banko kanya. So Sirinja can member. I be funny attention because Sirinja I heard that there is an allegation against him. Allegation bale bakan you wati. So the only thing Sirinja you let's destabilize this country. And then banko na destabilize. And the Gambian court and Nyola. Let's divide them. And the Sifatam Faso in the Banco Kanja. That is the only thing, that's what they are planning. Well, quote me along after in Banco Kanja. But are we going to allow it? From the Gambian court, how many billions of dollars will do in Banco Kanja? But are we seeing ourselves in it? From the Pongega Kolaba. New OIC wrote. Meyalongo, President Barona la Masakunda, a Julota Julo Meyalongo, how many $billion Yoleta, Prukan OIC wrote in Takadoku. Yesilodoku without no better drainage system. Being in Samakeda, Molmeyalongo, they live in that corridor. Be their sovereign. A Mutakodange, the 50-kilometer road Meyalongo, you call the Woladoku, Yesilodoku without no better drainage system. B. Giocadumbo General Sokon. Mojel nabi jame yalon ko bi nin sama jawo keta ila dimbayalu ni la dimbal bu kera ko joka du la sol ko mol mel yalon ko ni la moto they cannot get access to ila sol ko. This is very sad, and they want to baffle us. They want to make us believe there is they can divide us. And I keep telling this to people. If you think you can divide this country, because Gambians are wise, Gambians know who is the best person for them. Gambians knows the party who is ready to salvage this country. Gambian Oliolon.
Yeah.
Gambian Oliolon.
Yeah. Kabrin ninganing committee GB, the parliamentary committee investigation on you. Ngaje dol bije they are in suit. Ngamira jane commission of fanana kabira be takang. Ngaje be pare be nyinyareng. Ngana jibe fanang TRRC mol miliyanon ko ñun do bal miliyanon ko ye tora ye be wol nar wol bina kan nyami ani to miliyanon ko be kun na je mbalo ka fa ñang hakilo ka jam fa ndessa Allah akbar nguma daje ñi momo be sirin jang na ko di balle tambe jokan pour ñun do ko ke moli bar do ko labang min kanake molla million ka dunje molla mine mune kana what returns do we have ikap mene ko return investment return or return for investment or the ROT coming something that is worth the money that we are paying mine kana ke nyum ko di bal bi ka dun ko kono mbukanan sa wol sof noje nuante ni nyanta tala silol minna netri tata wasilo minna be this parliamentary committee to soflanu. But thanks to Mustafa Njai, Mustafa Dabola Dukunya Milike, we're trying to get to the bottom of these issues. But in Hakilo Fanana Bulamunela, Olamunyindiko, the audit report, Mianonko Gambia Daman, Namra Banco, Mulam Banco, Gaminon Doman Banco, the Banco Mianonko. Nalbe auditor Kela, you are audited about 3 years back audit. Atal kole for molye. So fender for system of MBJ is not effective, it's not efficient, and it's not responsive to the needs of Gambians. No one be me in this generation, you are tools all use no it's not going to take you more than few hours for you to be able to do those jobs. But even if we have to give them the benefit of Kajako, everything is meticulously or effectively audited. Let's give them like 2 months or 3 months. But if we go some more ben to la bang Gambia be doal na depends on me doal nyami. Auditing team will be nyami. Ntolu katla we are not auditing is never up to date, or our books are never up to date. They are always 3 years back.
No, because huh? do you know Yalong Menka Osab? Because the problem is that's the way they design the system. And they will tell you how because during your Jambere time there was no proper auditing. It's all fake. It's all fake. Because one thing you never can understand I mean, there is a quarterly system. Mayalong is already in the government. Every quarter of the term of the year, there has to be an auditing. Auditing. So Minatina, government doesn't have, because let me tell you something. Look, Itabuloko, you don't have the human resources. Itawufala. Nikomoleko my human resources, ikamol nele. Gambian Dinumojele Mayalongo, they are graduated from the university. We have how many audit firms in this country? And these audit firms, in a credibility, it is not a compromise because they know very well. Because if they compromise their credibility, at the end of the day, they will not have business. So why, if government, Minatina, government is not appointing youngsters for them to do this auditing so that we can be up to date? There are systems, Melialonko. These are updated system, Melialonko. I mean, it's just a mere system. You have to install in all the places. Bangoka Infinite Labitaka. The Infinite system is a system, Melialonko. The more you are operating, the more it's updating itself. And it's an online system. Minatina, that online system, National Audit is not using that online system and audit. every institution in this country.
No,
Because Mangatolo Nyindiko.
niaje mbo fanfula wala nyindiko. Imagine we are talking about 3 years or the accounts. No, netako B. We are going to be looking at the latest books. My friend, and if those audits were to be done efficiently and professionally, and then kajeko to unearth the malpractice we will be shocked. Ibal ko baro e tinyaro minke man la president bina ko teke membo tinyaro kala because ni mo tinyaro ko teke Gambia will be finished, will be done.
Mr. J, you can send request, Mr. J, you can send request. Yeah. Yeah. So yajale ekadamento for them. I mean, Kodoma yajale. Let me tell you something. Yajale ekadamento for them. Wolem tonyat. Yajale ning audit system woni. For example, yalong ekamengo wolem yinduko. Ekamolu nyinandele. Well, they have this backload system.
Okay.
But BB lala ni enyu nyindulal audit B. Ebe masibo le karlaje. I am telling you this. 2021 audit report on not fintita. 2022 audit report on not fintita. 2023 audit report on not fintita jang. Nkoto ma ebe bulo la le kundole. Ebe bulo la le kunde afo Gambia kasaratal.
Mbola foke nte. I know. Because ndel minjibe nga trend minje ndel danda 2020 but nga trend minje I was serious because every year ndel America they would be learning from those recommendations, but those recommendations were never implemented because the same blunders, the same issues being repeated again year by year. Huh?
Mayo Sab from 2017 Canada, there has been a lot of queries. Queries Jama Bal on the audit side. So the president as the head of the state, audit queries or audit recommendations are just mere opinions. So basically, you are the head of state. If neatara an institution o me alon ka belori, ite ya recommend ko Gambian ko loko institution o nyi wala doko o mu fenken o mu comment o mu miral kensan wallet. President wala kanyum fode. This is not said by an ordinary citizen. Amanga comment ka ko ordinary citizen wala kanyum fo. Gambian la president Mr. Adama Barrow wala ko ako kisisiro mengi ga master kunda kono. Sunyaro nin tapale al tumirol melka finti. Ako tumirol mu miral kensan wallet. But saying this mean ko ate president sign ate endorse lako sunyarol melka ke wolu muku kes olmuku omu diam kensan wallet. Forgetting this ko audit queries or audit recommendations are elements fengol le mut melalo ka tabal fengol le melalo ko aka seda jarol le sebe ka bambu seda jarol le. For president man nyenta kanyi lonko audit queries ning auditor le kisisroke me ya lonko yewol tumi dan ning kayto ka finti follow me yemen tumi eka wato diala le pour ka fa ko ñun tumiro me ya lon ko na le kan leftele pour ye fonctionner de curriculum o ñom e ka ko leftele yen jaabi minat na ñinketa ni e jaabiro kenan franco ne ke la jaabiro tale ya jibe ya fa ko ila yen jaabiro me ya jaabiro ñin amman timma folo leftele pour ye ka to fo batti mon no ñami so they give you all space e ka miro be di le ka wato be di la le pour ye fon ko indi na e tumiro me ya lon ba keteka. This is exactly what it's about audit queries. But near other side, Gambia government is ready. Or Gambia government is serious. Gambia government ya mutala ko audit ya understand ko banko katama accountability and transparency la. What should they do? Enyanta kamilek. Ni auditor yela recommendation to the head of state or yela recommendation to the National Assembly. What next? Enyanta menkela. But meya again auditor yela recommendation again about I mean some of the government officials jump. According to the parliament recommendation of the call, IGP have to act. Did we see the IGP act?
No.
And no cookie IGP ma act. IGP ma mo arrest. IGP ma mo command. But did we see the president? The IGP is working under the president because it's the one Mayalong is vested with the supreme power. Ka constitutional tamandi, ka lua tamandi, ka tama fenda Mayalong ko banko lo lua wala nyinanga. Mina ya tina IGP man tama a president be there because this meaning president is involved. We have to call a spade. But mina tina be ndebe silari nyim banko la kola a member of parliament, the deputy speaker of the parliament, wole left ka banko dundi fit no kono. because sidi nyaanyol kanyem men fotek sidi nyaanyol kanyem mirol mil keteng ni tariko jibe nyulele fitino sabu dunya banku dol kan because sio mu fennati me ya lonko ni sio ta yesu sunu nyokam aka men ko wala nyindi ko aka fitino le sabu banko sio ka jutu nyola sio ka nyodaya sio ka tar hamer nyokam sio ka tar hamer nyokam pour ka fitno wulu ni nyokam si nyo damma
walantina
aka tinne ka du nyola
walantina bayo emo molati mi alon ko you are a typical reminder of Barola Jamfa. You are a typical reminder of Barola Jamfa. Because ilote hamo min soto, inganyo min soto, ni dunda min kono. You believe in it and you deliver. Omola mwiti. And you can rest baleta, you know, for the sake of this country. Ilota baro kante ko beka. Bilom biti. Be fanan kono. Ko kunungele be kono. So funding kelo mi ko banko kano no sita don ngaji banko kano ki sita dala ninka ke sita wala nyinde ko ngala ka duila saying atul funding kelo mi ko albe katukul warandi kam bakele especially ngaji le ko albe simfanyal bil beta kan at West Coast al kansulo ni be kul min ke kan mashallah woto nyalnyen te binkelo nde ko nyaji bi nyim kul paramon fra be siare ntel funding kul mien all safa ko ato funding al gambia fo diaspora lomba be nyanta kafula nyomale we put our difference aside if there is any. I'm talking about if there is any. I hope there is no differences, but let's let's solidify our grounds. Let's come together and rally our support around Usainu. Ngajo ko nin patio ngadandam fo alafta futan damming after the je. Bengo rally ke wala ko jimmol mi non ko bebe nyun kul be parti bol. Hani ke yalla ko we do people are intact. But there is a challenge for us to come together.
The point is I mean ekadamento for I mean that is why one time I wrote and I said mol melia lonko eka sila usenula eka mila sila usenula eka mila sila usenula kadu kukil ne beje mol melia lonko nyim banko kanjang eka bu usenu ten namina momoy memba falo usenu mankara namina momoy memba falo ko usenu na banko na fulo le sunya
wallahi
namna momoy me ya lonko ko akapo ko usenu ta nyim banko sambalano bar mileketa ibe semberim menna wolum nyintu ko jawya ibe semberim menna wolum nyintu ko ala tilimo because mengeta wolum nyintu ko ay place la mara nyim banko kanja me ya lonko
wallahi
ni atara bi ay tinyar kenu jebi presque
wallahi
fo la be la mo fulu me ya lonko bi
way frère wolum to nyati bay
par bi sanji jalu bi usenu dabo bota masakunda kono bi sanji jalu abota masakunda kono inamna moy masakunda e finti afako usenu transolo ta masakunda
wallahi desan
the audit report men ya lon ko finti da bi usenu dabo be masakunda kono wato men faji la ka finti je ala audit report a be finti da chaw there is no single audit report ya lon ko usenu dabo le ko ta jam
sai mole nyim be long akoy tema hanbe biminto badi ngolo mun be kere
no membe kere wala nyinti ko konnente yala be kere membe kere wala nyinti ko comment quand même voice the like of Sidi Njie ñol membe to wala nyinti ko ya Usainu long ya long ko ay loi long ya long ka 40 ya long ko nobody can dribble him ya long ka be banko tamon la no loi la ila konnente ya man la fi moyena nyim banko ka me ya long ka be nyim banko tamon loi
ngo marga kuma kilim fan foy
moy tara nyim banko tamon
mela kuma kunti jande
me ya lon ka man nyim banko kanu me ya lon ka man banko la kolon me ya lon ka man fello masakunda la tamande nyasilo
ngo elajen kuma kanon tonyati elajen kuma kanon mela kuma kundu me murula nje kana because munaketa mo ya last time don dole na ne ya funya akonyo ko bare yaje nyaje nyim banko man tano kabirin baro awser ñul jindi ay ani Amadou Sanu ñulu an be do baro ñul be firim ngay me tadu lale me ke kolon akonye ko bari ntenga mera ko for the sake of the interest for the sake of the Gambia interest sirobe kelen bakele pour baroni useni nyomoy if possible useni murunan anim baro e dokoke yalla ngamre fo mare gay ko ila miro is good gay bare ku kilne bi mo kilne bi minta sanna wala mo sidin jaayte gay bi ko sidin jaay ray ni useni ni barobe murutana wala diata gay ba baro useni be baro yamar la kote kay silo telling ay subula silo noma ake anyanda minkila ake anin luwala anin ay ku kendoke andu wonoɓe da noɓe kala dawran den siɗi jañolde tata siɗi jañolde ɓe kukule ɓe ila place o e ɓole kantaka because people like siɗi jaye where there is decency anin pour nga luwal nin kol sammanda ñama nga kol ka ñama siɗi jañol they stand no chance they stand no chance
ni be ada class itu tenyo wada sense of it if kala sa ko mo faje tabla sala